One great way of getting used to SwiftUI is to put SwiftUI classes into your UIKit project. Then you can start to build up capability in SwiftUI, and this works for larger code bases. However, you might have a new project you go in using SwiftUI. However, you might have old classes that you could use from a previous project from the UIKit world. Either way, it's very likely on a code base of any size you want to combine UIKit and SwiftUI. This video will show you how to do just that. So here's a very simple SwiftUI program. It just displays a list of emojis. But this view controller, when I press show view controller, this particular one is a UIKit view controller. And it's presented through this custom view controller, which, if we jump to the definition, is actually UI view controller representable. And this is the magic which allows us to hit this basic view controller, which is just really that red view with the label inside it. Why might you want to do this? You might have a particularly complicated view controller you'd want to represent in your SwiftUI project, and for whatever reason, either you feel unable to do it or you already have a project with the solution and just wish to import it. Therefore, you could use this method to create your UI view controller within SwiftUI. In a very similar way, if you have a UIKit project and want to use a SwiftUI view, you can. So here's a UIKit project, and this view is, as it claims, a SwiftUI view. And this is done by basically wrapping the SwiftUI view in a UI hosting controller, which then can be raised within your project. And even here, I've created a callback for it, so we can get that communication going between the general UIKit project and the SwiftUI view. So this SwiftUI view here is called Purple UI View, and it's just simply this purple background and a button to call back. Really simple, but it's this wrapping of the other views which enables you here to try out SwiftUI within a UIKit project. So there you have it. You can access UIKit from SwiftUI and access SwiftUI from UIKit. To deal with components, look in the description, there's an article that will help you with that, but this helps you with complete screens, and I hope it is useful for you.